Alright, back at it again here today with another episode of The Adventure. And today is Friday, so first and foremost, happy weekend everybody. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend. Second, we are headed down to my buddy Brad's house, which he's been on the channel here numerous times. If you guys want to check out the last video he was in, I will leave a link up in the corner. It was a fun time. We went mountain bike riding, partied at his house, all that sort of stuff. But tonight we're going down to his house. We are getting some dinner with him and possibly a few other people. And then from there, the rest of the weekend is kind of planned, kind of not. So it's one of those wishy-washy weekends where I just figured I'd get the camera out and roll some stuff. It should be a great weekend. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend too, and let's get it started. So after we left Brad's house Saturday morning, Serena and I went to Shady Maple Smorgasbord. I'm probably pronouncing that very wrong, but it's close enough. If you guys don't know what that place is, it's a huge gift shop in the basement, and upstairs they have an all-you-can-eat buffet for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But we went there. I used to go there as a kid, probably 3 or 4 times a year. And after that, we came back home and got ready to go camping down at C.I.C, New Jersey. As we were pulling up to the campsite, it started drizzling a little bit. We got the camper in place, and next thing you know, it starts pouring. And it was not fun setting up in the rain at all, but we still made it work. After we came back from dinner, we relaxed and prepared for the next day out on the boat. Good morning, everybody. We are getting packed up now to head out on my girlfriend's sister's boat. We might be going fishing, tubing, swimming, I'm not really sure. The whole day is kind of up in the air, but I think it's still going to be a really, really nice day. Right now there's not a cloud in the sky that I can see, and it's about 80 degrees with about 5 to 10 mile per hour winds, so I think it's going to be a really good day out on the water, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it too. So after about 4 or 5 hours out on the boat, we came back, got showered up, and we went out to dinner. Again, I didn't film us going out to dinner. There wasn't really much to see. It was pretty good food. And then from there, I had a 2.5 to 3 hour drive home at 9, 10 o'clock at night. So that wasn't very scenic at all. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please slap a like on this video, comment if you guys have ever been to Seattle City, New Jersey. And as always, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button as well. And now enjoy a small clip of our dog Ivy swimming in the water and playing in the sand.